What if the whole story about AI isn't really about robots taking your job, but about you taking control of your career in a way you never thought possible? Today, we're going to break down a key idea from the book, The Future of Work, and show you exactly how AI can be the most powerful tool you've got. I want you to think of AI as your career co-pilot. Seriously. Whether you're trying to climb the corporate ladder or you're building a new business from the ground up, AI gives you this amazing set of tools to help you navigate the modern professional world way more effectively. So this brings us to the big question on everyone's mind, right? Is AI a threat? Is it something we should be worried about? Or is it the single most powerful tool you can add to your professional toolbox? Well, we're here to show you it is absolutely the latter by looking at two totally distinct paths to success. Okay, so let's jump right into that first path, using AI to really accelerate your career as an employee. This is all about using this incredible technology to work smarter, to stand out from the crowd, and to get ahead. The very first step is just to start weaving AI into your daily routine to boost your own productivity. We're talking about tools that can automate all those repetitive, time-sucking parts of your job. This frees you up to focus on the high-impact stuff that actually moves the needle for your career. And what's really cool is how practical this stuff is. AI-powered task managers, they can literally just organize your day for you, reducing that mental load. Communication tools can sift through your inbox so you only see what's important. And my personal favorite, these personalized learning platforms that use AI to figure out your goals and then build a custom curriculum just for you. It's like having a personal career coach, making sure you're always learning the right things. But AI's impact goes way beyond just your day-to-day work. When it's actually time to make a career move, AI is a total game changer for the job hunt. In a market where hundreds, sometimes thousands of people apply for one job, using AI isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a real strategic advantage. So how do you actually do this? Well, first, platforms like LinkedIn are already using AI to find the best jobs for you, saving you tons of time. Second, you can use tools like JobScan to tune up your resume. This helps you get past those automated screening systems, the robot gatekeepers that most companies use now. And third, you can even practice for interviews with an AI that gives you feedback. It's a safe place to get your answers just right. And this brings up another brilliant point, your personal brand. It's not just about finding a job. It's about the right opportunities finding you. AI tools can help manage your online presence, suggesting content to share and optimizing your profiles to position you as an expert in your field. Now, what if you're not climbing the corporate ladder? What if you're building it yourself? Let's switch gears to our second path and see how AI is a complete game changer for entrepreneurs because it is dramatically lowering the barrier to entry. This quote from the book really just nails the whole idea. AI is becoming the great equalizer. It's like having a partner that gives you the kind of power and insight that used to be reserved for huge corporations with massive budgets. So what does this look like in the real world? Well, imagine using AI to scan millions of social media comments to spot a new business idea before anyone else. Then, once you're up and running, you can automate your operations. Think chatbots handling customer service 24/7. And maybe most importantly, it helps you make smarter decisions by using predictive analytics, which is really just a fancy way of using past data to make really good guesses about the future. And hey, this isn't just theory. Look at a company like Stitch Fix, which uses machine learning to basically be your personal stylist, or ADOC, which is helping doctors save lives by analyzing medical scans with an accuracy that's just incredible. These companies aren't just using AI, their entire business is built on it. So this brings us to the big idea that really ties both of these paths together. The future of work isn't humans versus AI, it's a partnership. The people who are truly going to succeed, whether they're employees or entrepreneurs, are going to be the ones who master this blend. They'll use AI for what it's great at, its efficiency and data power, but they'll combine it with the skills that are and will remain uniquely human. This slide just lays it out perfectly. Look, AI is amazing at the stuff in the left column, processing data, finding patterns, automating boring tasks. But it can't do what's in the right column. It can't replicate real human creativity, empathy, strategic thinking, or solving those really messy, complex problems. The winning strategy is to let AI handle the left so you can focus all of your energy on the right. So the ultimate takeaway is really this. No matter what your professional goal is, the path forward is a partnership. It's about combining your unique human talent with the incredible power of artificial intelligence. Don't see it as a threat. See it as your co-pilot. If this got you thinking and you want to really dig into these strategies,
Everything we've talked about today comes from The Future of Work by John C. Roosevelt. You can find it on Amazon. Thanks so much for tuning in.